A very good morning, my dear students. Today we will take up the another half of this chapter article. By another half, I mean to say that in previous video we learned that a, n, the together are called articles, and we planned to learn the uses of a, n, uses of the, and no use of article as well. Means we planned to learn the use of a and the, as well as we planned to discuss when we should not use any article. So far we have discussed when and where to use a and an, and today we will proceed with the use of article the. So students, you are aware that the is definite article used to notify, point, or say something which is specific, particular, and definite in nature. We cannot use the when we are talking something in general. We are using a general term, then you cannot use the. Okay, so let's proceed with the pointers. What are the pointers? There are 4 pointers with you, and they will help you when to use the in a sentence. Let's see the first one. It is written before the noun that are unique, which means something which is very popular, one of its own kind, and very well known to the public, to the world. Examples are the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, the Great Wall of China. I hope it's clear now. Coming on to next, when something is known to the listener. Now, known to the listener means something which is listener, about which the listener is aware. Like in case your mother is going to the office in the morning, or your father is going to his office, and you are well aware that your father uses a bike to reach his office. So while leaving home, your father is searching for a key. Now, what kind of sentence will he frame? He may frame, where is the key? Your father will never frame the sentence like where is a key, because that key is well known. You are aware which particular key is being searched, right? So as the listener, that is you, when you are aware, when the listener is aware of the thing, then we will use the for that particular noun. Coming on to next pointer, that is to refer to a time period. It's very clear. Like whenever you want to refer to some particular time period, then you have to use the in front of that. For example, in the past we did not have electricity. Or you can say the song was popular in the 90s. Okay. Or you can say in the future. In the future we will use super fast solar cars, right? Coming on the last pointer, it says that the is used before names of rivers, rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, oceans, Indian Oceans, Pacific Oceans, right? Next, seas. Seas means the Arabian Sea, mountain ranges. Keep in mind, student, it's written mountain ranges, not mountain. Ranges means there are many mountain in it. That's why that is called range of mountain, mountain ranges. So when mountain ranges are used, like the Alps, okay, we will use the Alps because there are many mountain in that particular range. Countries with plural name. Countries with plural names. Plural means with S, like the Netherlands, okay, or that contain the word republic, kingdom, or states. Example is the United Kingdom. States like the United States of America. I hope now you can use the article the in a sentence. Now let's see a few examples. Let's read it. I don't remember the last time period. The last time I saw my friend. Next, do you know where the dress is kept? Means the listener is aware which dress is being talked about. Okay, the next one, the United Kingdom. Did you see? It's written kingdom. That's why the in front of that. The United Kingdom is located in Northern Hemisphere. The last one, I live in a villa. Now villa is introduced for the very first time to the listener. That's why it is taking a in front of it. So the first sentence is like I live in a villa, but the next the villa, because this villa is already introduced to you in the previous sentence. The villa has 5 bedrooms. Now let's take up another thing, and that is when we should not use any article in the sentence. Okay? Or when we means these two pointers will help you to find out when you should not use any article before any noun. So what is it saying? With the names of people, states, countries, and mountains. Names of people, states, countries, and mountains. If these things are there in a sentence, please don't use any article in front of them. For example, the mountaineers conquered Mount Everest, not the Mount Everest, because Mount Everest is not a mountain range. It is simply a mountain. Okay? But if you want to say Himalayas, now Himalayas is actually mountain range. So if you are writing Himalayas somewhere, you have to use the in front of that because it is a mountain range. Whereas Mount Everest is not a range, it is simply a mountain. Okay, coming on to next. He stays in India. He stays in India, not the India. So you will not use the in front of the name of any country if there is no use of kingdom, states, and republic in its name. Coming on to next, plural and uncountable nouns. So when there is a use of plural noun or uncountable noun, please don't use any article in front of that. Like, she likes chocolates, he writes novels. Okay? Now let's take few sentences and you have to find out whether you have to put means these sentences are actually there, these are fill in the blanks, and they are mixture of a, n, the, as well as omission. Omission means when you should not put any article. So let's read it. The very first thing is Mumbai is dash interesting. Okay, G is missing there. So let's put a G with it. So Mumbai is what? A, N or the? What should be there? Mumbai is yes, very good, very good. Mumbai is an. Read this. Listen to the sound. It's vowel sound. It's vowel sound. So Mumbai is an interesting city. Mumbai is an interesting city. Yesterday I met dash famous actor. What? This actor is not introduced before. It is being introduced the very first time. So what should be used? A. And here, a here. So I met a famous actor at a restaurant, because there is restaurant is general term. Specific name is not provided here. So I met a famous actor at a restaurant. I asked him for see to it. What is this? Which sound? Vowel sound. I asked for an autograph. He gave it to me most willingly. I have kept. This autograph has already been introduced in the previous sentence. So you have to use the in this blank. I hope it's clear to all of you. Now let's move on to the next one. The people who live in dash Netherlands are called dash Dutch. I will not be helping you. It's very easy. Look up to all those pointers for the, and I think you can fill these two blanks. Coming on to the next one. Dash kangaroos are found in dash Australia. This is the easiest question so far. The easiest question so far. Okay? Okay, let me help you out. Shall I? No. Please think of it. Hence are there kangaroos, plural. Australia. I hope you can do this. That's all in today's video, students. I hope you would have understood all about the articles, and if there is any kind of doubt, so please feel free to ask your doubt in live classes. So that's all in today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.